In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Phasmophobia on your Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up VR mode so you can play Phasmophobia. As you can see on the official Steam page, they tell us that this game runs in both standard and VR modes, so this means that the game natively supports VR. You don't need to download any external programs, however, there will be some programs that you need to download to set it up. So the first one is going to be the Oculus application. This application will allow you to manage your Oculus Quest 2 and make sure that it is properly connected to your PC. So make sure that you download it from the official website, go to meta.com/quest/setup, or look for the MetaQuest app on Google. Then download the appropriate version here. Once you have the Quest app, the next thing to do is to download Steam VR. This is available on the Steam store and it is downloadable for free, and it will help you set up VR for many games, including Phasmophobia. So once you download Steam VR and you have the Oculus app, the next thing to do is to connect the Oculus Quest 2 to your PC. This will be primarily done using a Quest Link cable. So you plug one end of the cable into the Oculus Quest 2 and the other one goes into your PC. There is no secret to this. You can also use AirLink, which allows you to do this connection wirelessly. However, it might introduce some latency and other problems. So choose whichever option you prefer. If you use a cable, like I said, you plug one end into the Oculus and then the other one into the PC. Once this connection is established, you can go into the quick settings of the Oculus headset and you will find Quest Link in here. This will broadcast the stream of your PC into the headset. Make sure that you have the application good to go and your device will be set up automatically once it is connected. So the status will be displayed at the right side of the screen and you are good to go. With the Oculus Quest application downloaded, Steam VR set up, and with the Quest 2 connected to your PC, either through a cable or through AirLink, all that you have to do now is run Phasmophobia through Steam. You will get a pop-up similar to this one, where you have the option to play standard Phasmophobia, or if you look above it, launch Phasmophobia in Steam VR mode. So this is what we're looking for. This is why you had to download Steam VR before. So make sure that you choose this option at the top and then choose play. And as long as you launch Phasmophobia in Steam VR with the Oculus Quest 2 connected to your PC, it will immediately boot up into VR for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Phasmophobia on Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.